I'm really excited about these Bantu knots because I have an idea. Something that I've never tried before. I'm gonna be stretching my hair for this. I'm actually not gonna be using a heat protectant. I know you're judging me, but I really just don't feel like it. I think my hair will be fine. My hair is pretty heat tolerant, so don't worry about me. Worry about yourself. If you have watched any videos where I stretch my hair, you know that I love this Revlon blow dryer. I got it off Amazon for like 30 bucks. I have it linked in my Amazon store, which is linked in my description box always if you ever want to check it out. But yeah, this bad boy is a real time saver. I could blow dry my hair in under 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 40 minutes tops. But most of the time, if I'm really going at it, 30 minutes. Now that that's out of the way, look at my hair. Like, I love the blow dried look. It gives me like lioness. I'm using the coconut water style setter from Camille Rose, one of my absolute favorite stylers. I love anything Camille Rose, let's just put that out there. And then I have this mousse from TGIN that I'm gonna be trying. I have never used a mousse in my hair before, so I don't know what to expect, but a lot of people like mousses, so I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna just do like a little test one first. I'm gonna just use my blow dryer brush because I don't feel like getting a real brush. I mean, this is a brush, like it detangles my hair, so I'm gonna first go in with the style setter. Not too much. I don't want it to revert like completely. That was actually not enough. Put it on my ends. I'm gonna brush that through to make sure it gets everywhere. And then the mousse, I'm gonna just start out with one pump. Ooh, that was kind of like half a pump. And see how that, ooh, I like the smell of this. It smells really good. It smells like fresh. All right, I said one pump, but I'm gonna do another one. I don't know if I should brush the mousse through. I'm not gonna brush the mousse through. I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm gonna actually do a braid first. This was kind of just like an idea that I got. And then I'm not gonna braid it too tight because I want the roots to be a little bit looser because I'm gonna actually twist the root like a Bantu knot. I'm gonna just do it and then you'll see what I mean. It feels a little tangled down here, so I'm just brushing it a little bit. I'm gonna actually go back in with some mousse on the end. Again, this is new for me too because I don't normally do Bantu knots and I've never used mousse. And I'm trying this out with braids, so I really don't know what to expect. So yeah, if you decide to try this, it's just about how your hair feels to you. Don't say like Brianna did this mini pump, so this is what I need to do. No, just feel out your hair and feel like, is it dry? Do I need some more? Like, that's just what I'm doing. What I'm gonna do is now twist the top like I was saying, because this is a Bantu knot. Okay, and I can barely do it. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it going this way. Okay, did I fuck it up? Okay, this is how one is looking. When I get to the front, I can show you guys better because that was not really a good demonstration. So I'm going to basically twist it up here and then start to wrap it around my finger, and then start to wrap it around itself so that I can like do this. So yeah, I just keep twisting it around my finger and then wrapping it around itself. Okay? You're gonna notice that when you're twisting tightly, the hair starts to like, the braid or twist, whatever you're doing, starts to like bend because it wants to begin like wrapping around itself. So it's really like working with you. How many Bantu knots we got? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe like 10 or 11. They're roughly about the same size, but not really. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for the rest of tonight, probably most of tomorrow, and then take it out later on just so I can make sure that it's fully dry. Okay, next day I'm back. I already started taking them out because I was a little skeptical, but they look real springy and cute. So I'm feeling like they're gonna come out good. To take them out, I'm just twisting them in the opposite direction that I did the Bantu knot, and then just unraveling them. You could put oil on your hands if you want, but I'm hoping for it to be big anyway, so I don't really care if there is a little bit of frizz. I hope y'all got your fingers crossed for me because I'm really expecting this to come out nice, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna be upset. Like, all my content that I've made for this week is based around this coming out good. So I put a lot of weight on this style. I did. So now what I'm gonna do so I can thoroughly separate is tie up some of the hair in a scrunchie. Whew, my arms hurt. This is like, you need to have some real arm strength for this. I'm actually gonna put some oil on my hands now, just a little bit, so I can like fluff it out. I think it came out cute. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I think it's braids for the win for Bantu knots. Now, if you've ever tried this or plan on trying it, please tag me and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.